Welcome to A-Level Sociology at Haydon School. Sociology is part of the Social Sciences faculty here at Haydon, and for those of you who are new to sociology, sociology is the systematic study of society, its institutions and structures. It is looking at the social world around you and trying to understand the problems faced by society, as well as how society has changed over time. The course content is divided across 3 papers, all of which are sat at the end of Year 13. Sociology is a subject which is based on 100% examination, meaning that there are no coursework or project elements. Each paper is 2 hours long and worth a third of your overall A-level grade. Paper 1 consists of education, methods and context, and theory and methods. Paper 2 consists of the optional topics of families and households, as well as beliefs. And paper 3 is crime and deviance, as well as theory and methods. In terms of how this content is divided across the 2 years, in Year 12, you will first off start by studying families and households. In this topic, we cover questions such as, what are the best types of family for our society and what functions do the different family types perform? We also look at issues relating to gender roles, domestic violence, and demography. Another topic you will cover in Year 12 is the study of education. Here you will cover the role and functions of the education system, the achievement of different social groups, as well as processes that take place within schools. Towards the end of Year 12 and the beginning of Year 13, you will begin to cover sociological theory and research methods. Here you will look at the different theoretical perspectives in sociology, as well as the relationship between theory and research methods available for sociologists to use when conducting research. Later in Year 13, you will cover the topic of beliefs, which looks at ideology, science, and religion, as well as the significance of religion in a contemporary globalised world. And finally, we look at crime and deviance, particularly looking at explanations for why people commit crime, as well as looking at the role of the criminal justice system and the media. The exam board that we study sociology with is AQA. Sociology is a very enjoyable and interactive subject. There are opportunities to apply your own learning experiences to the content that is covered on the specification. Here you can see some of the questions that students will eventually be able to uncover through the course. As you can see, sociology is an extremely relevant subject that covers contemporary issues affecting our social world. For example, looking at how the lockdown has affected families and education, the effects of social policies, as well as the questions that you can see here on the screen. The A-level course is taught by 2 sociology teachers, myself, Miss Mepham, and Mrs. Hitchman. We are both experienced teachers and between us have over 20 years teaching A-level sociology. We are both very passionate about our subject and want to pass that passion on to our students. To do this, we plan lessons which are engaging, relevant and varied, as well as offering opportunities for group work, undertaking your own research and giving presentations based on independent research too. We want all of our students to achieve well on the course, which is why we consistently offer support for students throughout the 2 years, as well as offering a variety of extracurricular activities, as well as the opportunity to go on trips. For example, in Year 13, we take our students to the Old Bailey. Our students achieve well in sociology. Last year, 35% of our students achieved a grade of an A star or an A. Many of these went on to study sociology or a sociology-related degree at university. As you can see, 9 students took a sociology-related degree, including the study of sociology, criminology, education studies, and global challenges. If you're thinking where sociology might take you, sociology is a great umbrella subject which can take you in any number of directions, whether it be a career, apprenticeship, or a degree at university. You will develop a number of skills throughout this course, for example, critical thinking, analytical writing, skills of discussion and debate, the ability to construct a logical and coherent argument, communication and research skills, as well as interpreting and using data. The knowledge and skills that you will develop throughout the course will transfer almost anywhere. If you're thinking, how will I know if this is the right course for me? Students should have an interest and enthusiasm for understanding society. You might enjoy people watching, be naturally inquisitive, or have a desire to understand the key issues in society. I hope you have found this information useful, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video about A-level sociology at Haydon. I hope to see many of you in September, and best of luck for your GCSE exams this summer.